Started in 1995 as a repair facility, Zimmerman Steel has grown into one of the premier metal fabricators in North America. We offer a wide variety of products including highway steel components, platforms, semi-trailer components, tanks, stairways, pipe supports, equipment skids, stacks and ductwork for the utilities sector, U-bolts and I-beam foundations for the oil and gas industry, fabricated pipe components, material handling components. Need a custom solution? We can help. With our years of expertise, there isn't much that we haven't seen or done. We can handle it all, from large projects to production runs of smaller components. Call us today to see what we can do for you.